Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today's video I got a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, so let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. And if you love luxury fashion or just love luxury content altogether, or even if you're a Louis Vuitton fan just like me, you're definitely going to love it here. So hit that subscribe button to join my luxury addicted family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this item I actually did order online on the Louis Vuitton website, and a little bit of a backstory for this item is this actually is going to complete my trifecta. So I do have two of the same prints of this one, but this is the hardest one in my opinion, and this is actually the hardest trifecta in my opinion to complete. If you're a true Louis Vuitton fan, you're gonna know that these items are very sought after, and it's probably one of the hardest SLGs to get for Louis Vuitton, and I'm so happy that I was actually able to get this item. So I have been stalking the Louis Vuitton website for a long time just to be able to see whether or not this was going to stock, and it finally restocked around 8:15 Eastern Standard Time because I am located in Toronto, Canada, and I did not hesitate. I just quickly checked out because I did not want this item to go out of stock, and so these items actually can be sold out within a matter of seconds. So you definitely should create a Louis Vuitton My account because you'll have all your personal information saved, you'll have your address saved, and then it just offers a really quick, easy way to check out without having to scramble and grab your credit card to be able to make the payment. Because with these kind of items, you definitely don't have any time to waste. The minute that you see it available to add to bag, add it to your bag. Definitely just don't think about it, just add it and then think about it later. But yeah, I'm so happy that I was actually able to check out successfully. And so yeah, I took out the little tab here from the UPS box just to make it a little bit easier to open. But opening it up, this is from Louis Vuitton, and then you do get the orange box, and I actually did get a ribbon, which I was pretty surprised about, and then the receipt envelope. So inside the receipt envelope, you're just gonna get like a thank you card, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. And then in Canada, you actually don't get an exchange label or a return label. They just give you like instructions on how to go about doing a return. So I'm definitely not returning this item. I'm going to be keeping it 100%. So I don't have to worry about that. And then you do get your client copy receipt. So I did order this on October 14th, and it actually did take about 2 weeks for me to actually get this item. Usually every time I order off of the Louis Vuitton website, it usually only takes about a week or so, but this one took a little bit extra long for some reason. I'm not too sure why, but I'm just happy that it arrived. And so yeah, let's get into the actual unboxing part. So I'm just gonna take off the ribbon. Any guesses as to what it might be? So the dust bag might be giving it away, but this is the mini pochette in the monogram print. I'm so happy that I was actually able to score one of these mini pochettes just because of the monogram is very, very hard to come by. A lot of people prefer the monogram over the other two prints. I personally like the Damier being the best because of that red interior, as I've probably mentioned several times before. But yeah, I'm so happy that I was actually able to get the monogram one because these are like always sold out in stores. I don't know if it's just in Canada's supply, but you can hardly ever find the monogram one in stores or any mini pochettes in general. So your best bet is to always definitely check the Louis Vuitton website because in recent times they have actually been restocking quite a bit of these. I haven't just seen the monogram, but they have seen a lot of restocking for the Damier Bean and the Damier Azur one, just not the monogram. So this one was actually made in Spain, and similar to the other mini pochettes, you do get the little chain strap, which is removable, and you can use it as like a wristlet, or even if you wanted to attach like a longer strap to this, you could definitely wear it as a crossbody bag or like a mini bag in general. And the monogram one comes with the brown lining, and you do get the 2 cards. So you do get the textile card, and this one is made out of coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, as most of the mini pochettes are. And then this is the product code. So the product code is M58009. And I have noticed that a lot of the made in Spain SLGs, or at least the newer ones for it anyway, actually include the date code part of this on this little card here. So the date code for mine is UB4200, which I'm kind of actually happy about, just because, I don't know, is it weird? I kind of like it when the date codes are even numbers. Is that weird? I think it's a little weird, but anyways, this does come with the vachetta leather, similar to the Damier Azur one. So it is not treated like the Damier Beam, but I am just so happy that I was actually able to get this item. I know for a fact that the mini pochettes, especially the monogram, are actually starting to be made a lot more in Spain. So I'm not hugely particular about where my items are made, as long as they have good quality. And I've never had an issue with something made in Spain. I know for a lot of the made in France ones recently, I've seen a lot of like bubbling around the canvas, which would have definitely annoyed me. But this one looks in pretty great shape, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty happy with this. And so other details is the chain itself is actually a little bit more shinier compared to the zipper pull itself. The zipper pull is in a more matte finish. And the reason why I actually purchased this guy was because I'm using my Toiletry Pouch 15 as my catch-all in my Palm Springs mini backpack, and I wanted to, or I like to, change out my SLGs just because I don't want them to get so worn so quickly. So I wanted to get the monogram one so that way it can match with my Palm Springs mini backpack and use this as a catch-all. So this is my trifecta in the mini pochettes. I do have all 3 prints. This is the monogram print, and then this is the Damier Beam print, which is my favorite, as I mentioned, because of that red interior. And then I do have the Damier Azur. Why do I need all 3? I really don't, but your boy is a hoarder. He loves his SLGs, so I just had to get all 3. And these are really hard to come by, so I definitely feel as though these would possibly make a good investment down the road, because it is very hard to even get one of these. So I'm very fortunate enough to be able to get all 3. So I wanted to get all of them just so I can have them in my collection, just in case I wanted to like change it up. I do actually plan on using the Damier Beam one as like a mini bag for when I go out on like formal occasions. And then I did mention that the the monogram I'm going to be using as a catch-all in my Palm Springs mini. So I don't actually have a use yet for the Damier Azur, but I feel like it'll be such a cute bag for if I have a daughter one day and she can use it as like a mini handbag. So that's why I decided to get all 3. But yeah, I am super happy that I have the trifecta, and in my opinion, this is like the hardest trifecta to possibly get for a Louis Vuitton collector. So I'm super happy that I'm actually able to add it to my collection. If you want me to do a very in-depth review on all 3 of them and compare all 3 mini pochettes, definitely let me know down in the comment section below, and I will be happy to shoot that video for you. But yeah, this was my unboxing of the mini pochette in the monogram. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, what is your favorite Louis Vuitton trifecta? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.